Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download Rare and Zip packing or unpacking app on OPPO Reno5 Z. So first let's open our Google Play Store. Here we want to find app called Rare. It's RAR, so let's try that. Now select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here, grant it all file access. And if we go back and dismiss this notification, app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.